1. Unplug your computer and peripheral. Items: turn off the computer. Unplug the power cord and unplug any peripheral items attached to the computer, such as the keyboard, mouse, monitor, headphones, and any external drives. 2. Remove side covers. Remove at least any off the side covers, usually the right side as you face the front of the computer. You might find it easier to access all the parts if you remove both side covers. There are sometimes some screws on the covers to make access easier. Remove side covers. 3. Disconnect connectors. Disconnect all the connectors. Then remove any card readers and internal DVD players. These are usually screwed into place. Remove cooling fan. Remove cooling fan. This is a good time to remove any dust, lint, and pet hair from the fans if you're planning on reusing them. Remove memory RAM module. Let's remove the memory RAM modules by pushing the clips on both ends of the module down. This will cause the module to pop up for easy removal. Do not touch the gold connectors on the chips if you're reusing the modules. If you're not reusing the RAM, find out how it can be used in other applications. 6. Remove the storage drive. Disconnect the cables and remove the storage drive. Generally, storage drives are held in place by multiple screws if you have a hard drive. Be gentle when moving the drive, as hard bumps can damage the internal parts. Remove power supply unit. Remove the power supply unit by unplugging the remaining connectors, then unscrewing the unit from the frame. Remove motherboard adapter or expansion cards. Remove any adapter or expansion cards from the motherboard, although these cards usually slide into pre-configured slots. There can be screws. Do not touch the gold connectors on the cards if you're reinstalling the cards. 9. Remove the motherboard. Disconnect all the cables from the motherboard. Then unscrew it from the frame by loosening each screw a little bit before going around again to loosen each screw properly. This prevents any potential warping of the motherboard by gradually releasing the tension on it. All the components should now be out of the computer case. If you're reusing the case, this is a good time to get rid of all the dust and lint that might have collected. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot. Bye!